Welcome to our Time Management Essential series. These are short videos. Efficiency and simplification, streamlining processes. Identify and implement ways to streamline tasks and workflows to save time. Reducing efforts. Find techniques to achieve more with less effort and fewer resources. Eliminating waste. Actively remove tasks or steps that do not add value to your work or life. Simplifying tasks. Break down complex tasks into simpler, more manageable components. Automating routine tasks. Utilize technology to automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, explore more of our content on the YouTube channel under Basheer Juma. Please subscribe to this channel and share this link. Additionally, you can discover a range of books by Basheer Juma on Amazon that might interest you.